I would keep a tow rope in your Tesla just because if it ever goes dead, that's what you need to get it charging, and of course to tow it. And you can actually charge your car that way too with regen if you're not close to a supercharger. Just have somebody tow you and you can charge it up. These are the pucks that you use to jack up the car. You don't ever want to let anybody jack up your Tesla unless they have these pucks. I would just keep those in the car. Of course, the kit that it comes with, J1 adapter, and then your adapters for the cord that it comes with. I also keep an extension, so if I have to charge up at like an RV campsite or something, they almost all have this connection right there. And if they don't, then they'll have this connection right here. But this extension is nice, and then that plugs right in to the Tesla connection. But I found that this plug comes in really handy, and then just an extension that's at least as long as the one Tesla comes with. The CHAdeMO, I really haven't used it, but they are starting to get more of these now, and so I will be using it. And then I bought Tesla's emergency inflate your tire and try to seal it and inflate it to get you to the next place until you can get a tire, because they don't come with a tire. So anyway, I just want to do a quick thing. Everything I carry pretty much seems to cover it. So yeah.